In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to uninstall TickBlaze from your computer. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to Revo Uninstaller.com. Also put a link to it down in the description below. From here, you'll need to go over to the download tab and then download the free version. You can also buy the pro version if you want to do that, but this will work with the free version as well. From here, you'll need to open it up, and then from here, it should bring something like this. Up here, you can search for the name TickBlaze right here, and then you can right click on it and click uninstall. From here, you can see, are you sure you want to uninstall the selected program? And then you just need to click continue. From here, you can see creating system restore points, and then it will scan TickBlaze and uninstall everything there is about TickBlaze on your computer. As you can see here, now it's analyzing, and this right here, this will remove TickBlaze from your computer. Do you want to continue? And then just click yes. And as you can see, TickBlaze has been removed from your computer, and now you can scan it to see if there's anything of TickBlaze on your computer, but it will go out as negative. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!